Here's the truth. You pass it down from father to son, from father, son, grandson. That's it! That's it, time!
Me, I've never been arrested.
Bloody you have, Chad, all bloody time.
I've never been charged.
Darling,
Tens each.
please listen
Leave that alone.
and understand this song.
Don't you go homeworks?
You never had to do homework.
I never went to school.
Yeah, look, you know it. Your dad's a legend, Toy Sen.
You did say we weren't living with your dad forever, Chad.
Got potentials.
Thing is, Chad, we can't be having your old man and his old lot pitching up. We're a shell community. No troubles, and I want to keep it that way.
It's all I want too.
Got a job for you tonight, all right?
Can't live like this no more. Can't do it. I've had enough.
It's all right, Cal.
We're all getting over here now.
It's going to start raining down on all of us. And they will break you on your own, you know that. Not if we stay tight.
Do what they say, kids.
This is your fault, you know that?
I love you so much.
I'm getting away from you, Cole.
You forget who you are, boy.
I'm just trying to look after my family.
I'm your family.